So friends, one thing I want to say you, as far as my minds come to knowledge, I am saying you. I am not saying you. I am not saying you that you leave all things. You leave all things. I am saying you do something for future. Just like you save money for future, same way, daily by daily, you learn anything for future. Who person learn anything daily by daily, that person is success. Yeah. Only in this era, which era is going on this time, this era is very dangerous because all person thinks the money is biggest thing. It is right matter. It is not wrong matter. Because you have money, you have brother, you have sister. You have no money, you have anything, you have nothing. So because any person will not go with you any place for moving. Yeah. So that person wants friend with you. That person think if I will do friends with them. They have he has many he has more money, so I will get many advantage. If I will do friendship with him, I will get very advantage. So like this, he want friendship with you. Yeah. Friends, I would say you in you daily by daily you learn unless who person will not learn, that person will not success. Because in many person is happen like this that I can't say you. I can't say you, but I am saying you. It's just like I am making video. In this time I am here. In today I am not making video. In about I am coming about 1 year is happening here. I am coming from 1 year. 1 year I am doing practice. Any person will think about me that how can he speak English? You don't think in about what in 2 years, 3 years I practice. So this time I can speak and translate. And also this time my speech is not good. My speech is not good. Yeah, because any person thinks me, my any many video, any person insulted me. But no problem, I am very happy for that. That you insult me, that your English is not good. I am very happy for this. Because in first things, I am not living unless I will not complete my English, I will not live that. Unless I will live in this world, I will not live that. Which is my ambition, I will complete that. I agree now. I agree now. Your matter, what you are saying in this time, in whatever my matter my mind's coming, I am going on speak. I am going on speak. I don't know. I don't know what kind of is spoken English. But whatever I know, I speak. Friends, I say you, once upon time, Once upon time, one day, I was teaching the children. One person came to my home, and he told me I should some medicine because that I also sell medicine. Yeah, I sell also medicine. So one customer has come to my home, and he told me I should some medicine. When I given him, when I given him that in no, first of all, he told me how much this price, how much price this medicine. I told this medicine is price about 30 rupees. Yeah, he alarmed that he surprised in this medicine in a high level price. In a high level price should not be. After that, I told him, please you tell me how much should be this price, this medicine. How much should be this price, this medicine? That 20 rupees. I told him, please you look. You don't know, it means you don't know about the medicine. In one medicine, how much price is happen? In one medicine, in 50 rupees can be. 100 rupees can be. One injection, 500, 1 lakh can be. But just like I give you the medicine, same way, I, I told you that like this will be take price. So, if this is rural area, yeah, in only that person go to market and they buy, yeah, he buy there, yeah, he buy any medical in the market, yeah, but the med, the medical, yeah, medical person is speak in this medicine, this medicine price will be 50 rupees that he gives. He gives that time. He don't say anything. He don't say. He don't speak anything because there are market. There are market. So this time in medical person speak in whatever price he will speak. Any customer will give. No problem. But in rural area like this, in this time I am doing, in I will speak that any person. No. In this medicine high level price, yeah, yeah, high level price. And please you think in already in first of all I buy, and after that 5 rupees I have children also. I have also belly. I have also stomach. Yeah, and that in some money I will I want advantage. I want I want also benefit. But in like this has happened in going on. So friends, you tell me what kind of thing happen in this era. So friends, you are hard working every time, yeah. And I'm not saying that in any person will have been watching my video. What kind of thinking about me? No, whatever you are thinking, you think, no problem. But whatever what I am doing, I will do. What I am doing, I will do. I know also many translate, many grammatical is leave. I know also, but in solo by solo, in pure, I can speak pure fluently. I can speak one day. Mahiyat is saying. I am saying about the Thomas Edison about, yeah, 10,000th time he failed. One day he completed it. Yeah, in same way. This time I know also. I'm I have no any high level degree, but my studies continue. I will complete that. So friends, in this video you like me, you comment me. So because this time I am making video, any person don't like it because this speech is not good and any translating mistake. So who person will like no problem that. But in this time I'm doing only is happening my practice. So I'm doing. Friends, in my speech is happen any mistake for that we want to apologize.